Hello, we are testing the mask gated, and we are between Paris and Toulouse at 75 dB into an aircraft. And I will show you that now you can make silence and confidential call into an aircraft. Now you're going to come close to me and you imagine you're going to be my neighbor. So you're going to put yourself at 10 centimeters from the mask. So just to demonstrate that the mask can work on an airplane, on a train, on everywhere where you have to go, where it's a noisy place, and to keep your call silent, confidential and secure anytime, everywhere.